Hey guys, it's Josh from New Car, back again with another Did You Know? Did you know that it's freezing out here? I'm back again with another Jeep Compass. Why so many compasses? I don't know. We usually just have a ton of them on hand. This is another used one. They're great vehicles. They're perfect size, good on gas, and a lot of these have some great features. For example, this one has a cold weather package. What does that mean? That gives you things like remote start. So on all Chrysler vehicles, you have this little ×2 guy here, and it's really simple. You just hit it 2 times. And it'll beep, and then it'll start. Magic. This will run for 10 minutes, and then it'll automatically shut off so you don't waste gas. And then you can start it one more time for 10 more minutes, and then it'll shut off, and then it won't allow you to restart it until you actually physically go in the car. The other thing that's very helpful that comes with the cold weather package is heated seat and heated steering wheel. The other great thing about this is when you use your handy dandy fob and start it from inside your house, if it senses that it's cold enough, it will automatically turn these on so that when you come in here, it's all nice and warm, your seats are warm, and your steering wheel is warm, and you can have a really nice drive to work or wherever else you're going. So we all know winter's tough, but if you have the right vehicle with the right features, it's not that bad. So just make sure you preheat your vehicle, and like my mother always says, put a hat on.